Hi there, my name is Whitney and I am the DIYer behind the blog and YouTube channel Whiskey and Wit. And I am also the crafter that Expressions Vinyl asked to curate their January 2023 mystery project box.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this super quick and easy winter tea towel. So the first thing you're going to need is that tea towel. Mine came from Hobby Lobby. You can get it for a couple bucks in their embroidery section. And I decided to flip it around and fold it the opposite way so I could see that cute little blue ticking stripe. Once it was how I was going to display it, I measured the area for the decal, and then from my box I grabbed my winter pattern HTV as well as my black Siser Easyweed HTV. Now for this, because I wanted to layer them, I needed to do a specific cutout with an offset, so I wanted to share with you how I did it in case you've never done it before. I put my Hello Winter file from the box in Design Space, and you can do this in any design software. I just use a Cricut machine. I created a rectangle that's 8.5 inches by 4 inches, and then I'm going to add an offset to my Hello Winter that is 0.2. I'm using the contour feature to get rid of any of those little cutouts on the inside because I want it to just be one solid shape. And then I'm taking that offset itself, changing the color just so I can see it, and I'm also going to send it to the front so I know what I'm doing here with the rectangle and the image. We're going to select both of them and center them together, and then select both and hit slice. Once you do that, you're going to have a fun little cutout outside of your rectangle, and it's going to work perfect for these two types of vinyl. Then we're going to go ahead and cut it, and make sure you put the shiny side down on your mat and mirror your cut because we're working with HTV. If you've got questions on any of the items in your box, be sure to refer to your cheat sheet. Once it is nice and cut out for us, we are going to weed all of our pieces on both colors of vinyl, and we're going to get ready to press it. Now, because I changed the way that I folded my towel, I decided to give it a really good pre-press just to get out some of those wrinkles so it looks a lot more put together. And then I'm using 305 degrees of heat for 10 to 15 seconds. I'm doing the black first because the pattern vinyl is top only. So we're going to do that right over the top, and the offset makes it nice and easy. Once that is done and all of my pieces are peeled off, it is ready to be displayed. It is super fun and festive, and it also adds some fun whimsy to winter, especially during a cold and gray season. I'm from outside of Chicago, so it is cold right now, so I love these extra pops of color. If you make this or anything else from your Expressions Vinyl mystery box for January, be sure to share your pictures and tag Expressions Vinyl or Whiskey and Wit so we can see what you're up to. Happy crafting!